Today, we'll explore the polite and effective ways to make requests. Let us practice the right way of asking for something.
Can you help me with this assignment?
Sure, what do you need help with?
Could you please email me the report?
Absolutely. I'll send it before lunch. May I use your phone charger for some time? Of course, it's over on my desk.
Would it be possible to move our meeting to Thursday?
I'll have to check, but I think it should be possible.
I was wondering if you could give me a lift home?
No problem. I'm heading that way.
Is it all right if I leave early today?
Yes, that's fine. Take care.
Could I trouble you for a glass of water?
Not at all. I'll bring you one now. Would you mind reviewing this document for me?
Not at all. I'll look at it this afternoon.
Do you think you could watch my dog over the weekend?
I'd love to. Your dog is adorable.
Can I ask you for a small favor?
Certainly, I'll try to help if I can.
Could you possibly turn down the music?
Of course. Is this volume better?
It would help if you could send me the minutes of the meeting.
I'll email them to you by end of day.
May I request you to take the vegetarian meal option?
Okay, if you are sure it's not at additional cost.
Can I count on you to take care of my plants while I'm away?
Absolutely, I'll make sure they're watered regularly.
Could I have a moment of your time to discuss my grades?
Of course. Let's talk after class.
With